SmarterASP.net is a well-established hosting provider specializing in ASP.NET applications. With years of experience in the industry, they offer a decent blend of features and performance. Here's a breakdown. Pros: ASP.NET specialization, optimized specifically for ASP.NET websites, ensuring smooth performance and compatibility. Reliability provides a solid 99.9% uptime guarantee, minimizing downtime for your website or applications. Performance utilizes powerful servers and technologies like SSD storage for fast page load times. Flexibility offers various plans fitting different needs, from basic websites to more demanding applications. Exceptional support, known for their responsive and knowledgeable customer support team. 60-day trial lets you test drive their features and services before committing. Cons: cost, slightly higher priced compared to some budget-focused competitors. Limited features, doesn't include some extras that are common among other hosting companies, e.g., free domain website builder. Focus on Windows. Doesn't offer Linux-based hosting plans, limiting you if you need Linux-specific technologies. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.